Hello guys, are you looking for best Philips OLED TV? Here we found Philips OLED 808 OLED TV. Philips OLED 808 is a TV based and OLED display technology with 4K resolution and flat design. It was launched in 2023 and is available in 42, 48, 55, 65 and 77 inches sizes. OLED X 55 inches is one of the special features of this TV. Design is flat, sizes available 42, 48, 55, 65 and 77 inches. Special features are OLED X and only 55 inches. Three-sided ambilight next generation. Swivel stand 43 to 65 inches. IMAX enhanced and DTS Play 5 wireless audio. Display technology is OLED, panel type WOLED. Refresh rate is 100 to 120 Hz. Resolution is 4K, video processor P5 AI Generation 7. HDMI standard HDMI 2.1. Number of HDMI 4. HFR 4K 120, HDR10 4K 120 and Dolby Visions. Speakers is 2.1 70 watt 50 watt for 42 inches. HDR10 plus adapter. VP9 decoding VP9 2 to 9. SoC system chip MediaTek Pantonic 1000. TV platform is Google TV. Voice assistants Google Assistant and Alexa built in.